to Wednesday morning, hump day. Out in the backyard this morning. I got up last night about 3 o'clock. The cat woke me up, wanted something, and I sort of looked out the window, and it was dead, still quiet. My backyard. Listen, you hear a few birds in the background. There's no crickets. There's no frogs. I live on a swamp. I mean a marsh, not a swamp. There's a difference. I live on a marsh. I got up this morning and I'm thinking, I mean, maybe even last year at this time, you'd come out here or look out the window, and sometimes it's so loud you'd have to close the window. Can't sleep. There's been no frogs. At the very beginning of the year, we had a very warm, mild winter. So at the end of February, we had some 75 degrees days, highly unusual. And there were actually frogs and crickets out there. You could hear them, lots of them. But it seems like since about March or April, there's been none. Listen. None. This is a marshy area. Right back over here is wetlands. No frogs. Crickets should be so loud in these woods right here that right now you can hear them singing. None. Zero. And it's been like that all summer. I just realized that last night. Isn't that crazy? So the woods behind my house, back up in here, so about a quarter mile away. The wood line, can't see it. The dew or the mist or whatever that is. And fog forming over the field over here. And at least 50% of the trees are dead. 50%. It's so bad on a windy day, it's dangerous to walk back there because there's so much dead trees, and there's limbs all over up in the canopy that are falling down. The wind blows. Yeah. No frogs, no crickets. You know, like I said, things are happening. You know, the sun's coming up over here. This is going to be pretty neat. We got a few clouds, but we got that pinkish tint to them. And I read that that's something to do with aluminum oxide particles that they spray in the air, and it's bending the light to make this color, this pinkish color. Sometimes the whole sky is like that. When the sun's come up, this whole area will be like that probably today. And also, I got to tell you one thing too. I'm noticing way less insects. Way less insects. So, things are beginning to happen. Entertain angels. Duck up.